Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Disorders of the thought, and you're looking at its classification. So to begin with, there is disorders of thought is classified into the disorder of stream of thought. So we look at the stream. First is the classification based on the stream of thought. So stream of thought, there are two divisions again. So A is the disorder of tempo. So there is disorder of the tempo. So disorder of tempo, it includes the flight of ideas. So there can be flight of ideas. The second one is the retardation of thinking. So this retardation of thinking. And then comes the circumstantialities. The circumstantialities. Lastly, it is a clang associations. It is the clang associations. Next, we move on to the type B under the disorder of stream. So type B, it includes the disorder of continuity. So it is a disorder of the continuity. So under this, there is perseveration. There is perseveration. And also the thought blocking. Thought block. Now, next we look at the disorder of form of thought. So this is the disorder of the form of thought. Form of thought. So under the disorder of form of thought, it includes the tangentiality. So there is tangentiality. Then comes the derailment and also the neologisms. Next is the desultory thoughts. As well as the word salad. Next we move on to the disorder of the possessions. So disorder of the possessions. So under disorder of possession of thought, it includes thought alienation. So there is thought alienation. So thought alienation, it includes thought insertion. So there can be thought insertion, thought withdrawal. So thought insertion is there, thought withdrawal is there. Next is the thought broadcasting. There is thought broadcasting as well as the thought echo. Next is there is obsession. So under obsession and compulsion. So there is obsession as well as a compulsion. So obsession and compulsion, there is it is again divided. That is, there is obsession as well as the compulsion. Next is we look at the last one. That is the thought of the disorder of the content of thought. So it's a disorder of the content. So we're looking at the content of thought. So here, what are the disorders? It includes the presence of phobias. So there is presence of phobias. Next is there is religious preoccupations. There is religious preoccupations. There is ideas of hopelessness. Ideas of hopelessness. There is ideas of the worthlessness. Then is the antisocial urges. There can be antisocial urges. There can be presence of the derealization, as well as there will be depersonalization and delusions. All these are the content of thought disorders. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.